Hello everyone, welcome to Alake YouTube channel. So today's tutorial is on how to make this satin bonnet. If this is what you're interested in learning how to make, please continue to watch this video. So to start off, this was the bridal satin that I'll be using. So I have it about 34 inches on the breadth, uh 20, that's 34 inches right there. Then on the lengthwise I have about 21 inches. So the two is the same because I have it in two places. So I'm just going to be using the two. You can use different colors of bridal satin depending on how you want it to make it reversible. So you're going to fold your fabric into two like so. Just I folded it into two, then you now fold it into four crossed like that. So and you get your fabric in four places: 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what you're going to use. Then we're going to be marking to cut out a big circle that we need. You're going to be marking it. So depending on how big you want your circle to be, I don't want mine to be too big because currently my head is on low cut, so that's why I'm marking 10 inches. But you can make yours be more than 10 depending on how big you want it. So you can use between 10 inches to 14 inches. This is the measurement for an adult. Between 10 to 14 is okay, so you can just use it. So I'm just connecting the lines together. I've already marked 10 inches round. So I'm going to now cut it out. I'm going to cut out the rest of the fabric there. So just cut it out. So right now we have a big circle. So I'm going to fold it into four again so as to use it to cut out the second circle that we're going to need. So you fold the fabric into two, then you now fold it again just like we did for the first one. Then you place the first circle on top of it and you use it just to cut it out like so. So right now I have the fabric placed on each other, right side facing right side. So you're going to join it by using 1/2 inch, which I've already done. Then you leave out about 3 to 4 inches to use it to turn it to the right side, So that's just what you're going to do right now. So I've already turned it right to the right side through the opening that we left. So the next thing you have to do is to go and iron it flat. Just go and iron this flat. So I've already ironed it flat. The next thing I'll do is to measure the length of the elastic that we need. Mine is 1 inch, so I'm going to use that 1 inch and mark it on the circle that we have. So I'm going to just mark that 1 inch round, or you can just eyeball it. If your elastic is not up to 1 inch, just measure whatever length of your elastic. But my elastic is 1 inch, so that's why I mark 1 inch round. Or you can just take it to your sewing machine and just be marking it little by little like so. But mine, I will not mark it round. I'm just demonstrating how we can do it for us. You can mark it round, or so just go and take it to your sewing machine and sew it. Depending on the length of your elastic, that will determine what the length of your that will be. So I've already sewn it round. Can you just see it? So like so. So the next thing for me is to insert the elastic through the opening that we did. So I'm going to use my safety pin to insert the elastic. So I'm just through the opening that we have, you're going to input your elastic there, and you try to just continue to push it in using the safety pin. Just push it in so as to gather the circle round. Just continue to do that like that. So I'm just doing it. Just go ahead and just pull it. Just pull it round. So I've already pulled it in to the end. So now the next thing is to place the elastic on top of each other and run a stitch. Just go and run a stitch to close that elastic together like so. So just take it to your sewing machine and run a stitch. I've already done that already. So just pull it in. So the rest of the opening that you have left, the opening that you use to insert the elastic, you can use your needle and thread to close it, or you take it to your sewing machine and just run a stitch. Just pull in the raw edges of the fabric and go ahead and run a stitch using your sewing machine, or you can use your needle and thread depending on how you want it. So I will take mine to the sewing machine and run a stitch. So I've already taken to the sewing machine and run a stitch, and this is how our satin bonnet looks like. See how beautiful it is. So this is me putting it on. Can you see? This is the 10 inches how big it look. So depending on how you want yours, between 10 to 14 is okay. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.